Okay, so we have derived the compound Pradipadikam Panchagava using the Sutram 2151, the Tarpdasam Samaharecha. That Sutram 2151 applies here because we have a Samaharaha, an aggregation. In this case, an aggregation or collection of 5 cows. We added the samasanta pratyaha touch using the Sutram 5492 Gora Tadhita Luki. Now this compound Panchagava gets the designation Dviguhu. By the Sutram which we are taking now, the Sutram here is 2152 Sankhya Purvo Dviguhu. Vritti says Tadhitarthottarapada Samaharecha Ityatroktas Trividaha Sankhya Purvo Dviguhu Syat. So Tadhitarthottarapada Samaharecha iti atra uktaha trividaha Sankhya Purvaha Dviguhu Syat. Which means that when the prior member of a compound constructed using the Sutram 2151, Tadhitarthottarapada Samaharecha denotes a numeral, the compound gets the designation Dviguhu. So basically, to get the designation Dviguhu, the compound has to be composed using the Sutram 2151. That's the first condition. Now, any compound composed using the Sutram 2151 has a prior member which is either a Sankhyavachaka Shabdaha or a Digvachaka Shabdaha, a word which denotes a numeral or a direction of the compass. Those are the two possibilities, because Anuvritti of Dik Sankhya comes down from 2150 down to 2151. So now the Sutram 2152 is saying that if the prior member of a compound that is constructed using the Sutram 2151 is a Sankhyavachaka Shabdaha, a word denoting a numeral, then that compound gets the designation Dviguhu. The note here says that, recall that as per the Sutram 2123, Dvigushcha, a Dviguhu compound also has a designation Tatpurushaha. Because remember, we're in the Adhikara of Akadara Eka Sanya, which runs from 141 to the end of the second quarter of the second chapter of the Ashtadhyayi. So normally a Sanya, a designation prescribed in this section, this Adhikara of Akadara Eka Sanya, cannot coexist with another sanya prescribed in the same section. If we want this compound to have the designation Tatpurusha as well as Dvigu, that's why Panini has put the Sutram 2123, Dvigushcha, to tell us that a Dvigu compound also has the designation Tatpurushaha. So now as per this Sutram 2152, the compound Panchagava gets the designation Dviguhu in addition to the designation Tatpurushaha which it has. Now based on the designation Dviguhu, we are now going to see the Sutram 241 Dvigureka Vachanam, very straightforward Sutram. It says that a Dviguhu compound which expresses a Samaharaha, aggregation, is used only in the singular number, no dual, no plural. So that's our next Sutram 241 Dvigureka Vachanam.